Ahoy, shipmates! So the land-based activity, it's a marvellous crop circle here, like a spidery type one. It's down here at the Cerne Abbas Giant in Cerne Abbas. You may be familiar with the Cerne Abbas Giant, carved into the hillside here above the village of Cerne Abbas, into the limestone and chalk of the cliff here. Dating approximately 1,000 years old, they think, or it could be from the 17th century. It's a little bit unknown exactly as how old it is, but it's a very distinctive figure on the landscape. And I think there must be something in the water down here in Dorset, certainly providing a natural growth. Anyway, not all good. I finished my droning of the Cerne Abbas Giant, and lo and behold, I looked back at my iron horse, and it had gone lame on me. It's difficult to see here, but the rear tyre had let out all the air. Now, this is the first time I've had a puncture on the old iron horse, so I called up for help and they were on their way. While I was waiting help, I thought I'd dock myself in the nearest hostelry here and make sure I was supplied with full rations of crisps and beer. Apparently, I didn't have very good rum, but lo and behold, tyre compressor was delivered along with some super goo here. You squirt the super goo first into the tyre. I'm not entirely sure what it is. It looks like Gorilla Bogey. Squeeze that into the tyre and then you pump it up. And then you move the bike around for a bit, slosh it about inside the tyre, and then you give it some more pumping up, and lo and behold, it fixed itself. How marvellous is that? And in case you're wondering, I did indeed get the old iron horse back to the stable without any further problems whatsoever. Thank heavens. Right, now let's get on to this crop circle thing, because that's what we're here for. Within visual distance of the Cerne Abbas Giant, a mere couple of 100 metres across the valley, in one of the fields on top of the hill there, is a really marvellous new crop circle. I hope you don't suffer with arachnophobia, because this one is pretty good. Well, hope that didn't scare you too much, shipmates. Till next time.